Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert slicer for filter in Excel. So here I show you two different ways you can insert the slicer for filter. So first, here you can see I have a simple data. So to insert the slicers, first convert this data into table. Simply select the entire data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Second way, simply select the inside the cell of this data and press the Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then press the Ctrl T to convert this data into table, and you can see the create table dialog box is open. Here the range is automatically selected. After that, click on OK, and here your data is converted into table. With this table design tab also added. Okay. So now if you want to insert the slicer, again go to the table design tab. In tools group, click on the insert slicer option. And here list of column here showing. Simply select the column. So I just want to insert the slicer as per category wise. So select the category and click on it. Here you can see the slicer is inserted. Okay. Simply click on the any categories and here you can see the filter is applied in the category column for the electronics. If you click on another categories, you can see the furniture is filters. Okay. To clear the filters, click on the clear filters option here. So that's it. This is a way you can easily filter, okay, through the slicer. And the second way, you need to create the pivot table to insert the slicer. So here I have a data. So I select here the entire data, Control A, and select here entire data. After that, go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot table. Then click on the From Table or Range, and here the Pivot table from table or range dialog box is open. Range is automatically selected. And here the second option, choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Here the new worksheet select and click OK. And the new sheet is added with the pivot table fields with the pivot table analysis tab, design tab. So drag the fields below the area to create the pivot table. I just drag the order it in filters, date in filters, product in rows, and total price in values area. And here you see your pivot table ready. To insert slicer, simply click on in pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis tab. In filter group, click on the insert slicer and select the slicer those you want. So I want the slicer as per quantity. Okay. I just click on OK, and here you can see the quantity wise slicer is inserted. Okay. I just simply click on the quantity 4. So 4 quantity related data here showing. Okay, data here filter. When I click on the 6, you can see 1, you can see that amount is changed accordingly. So this is a way you can easily filter. Okay. So I just select this slicer and press the delete key to delete this slicer. Again, I go to the pivot table analysis, click on the insert slicer. Now I select the customer name and click on OK. And here you can see the all customer list here showing. Just click on it and here you can see the filter is applied. Okay, you can see you can drag here and select your customer name to filter the data. Okay, quickly. Okay, to clear the filter, same as click on the clear filter option, and that's it. So this is a way you can insert slicer for filter in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.